Hello everyone. In last class we have seen about groundwater, the vertical distribution of groundwater and the different type of geological formations. And the different type of geological formations were aquifer, aquiclude, aquitard and aquifuse. And among these four geological formations, only aquifer has ability to hold the significant amount of water and transmit the water. So in today's class we will discuss about aquifer. The aquifer word is derived from Latin word aqua, which means water, and fer means to bear. So aquifer is a strata which holds the water or to bear the water. In other words, aquifer is the formations which holds water between two layers like sandwich. The layer could be impervious, pervious or semi-pervious or combination of them. So there are four types of aquifers: confined, unconfined, semi-confined and burst aquifer. Confined aquifers are also known as artesian aquifer. In confined aquifer, the water is held between two impervious layers. This is the ground level. Two are the impervious layers. Or impermeable layers. Since top layer is a impervious layer, so water into these two layers, water will be under pressure and hydrostatic pressure will be more as comparison to atmospheric pressure. And whenever we will drill a well in these type of formations, since hydrostatic pressure is more, so water level will rise, and जिस लेवल तक वाटर राइज करेगा ये कहलाएगा piezometric level. And the piezometric level depends on the hydrostatic pressure, difference between hydrostatic pressure and atmospheric pressure. If the difference is less, rise will be less, and sometimes difference is great enough that the piezometric level और the water जो है वो फ्लो करने लगता है वेल से. सो इन दैट केस द वेल इज नोन एज, जब वाटर फ्लो करने लगेगा वेल से, इन दैट केस द वेल इज नोन एज फ्लोइंग आर्टेशियन well. The aquifer is bounded by impervious layers. So the confined aquifers get recharged when the outcrops are exposed at either ground surface or the river bed. So it can be recharged by rainwater as well as the river water or the water bodies. Next one is the unconfined aquifer. In unconfined aquifer are consist of bottom layer will be impermeable layer, top layer will be pervious layer, or water table is act as the upper boundary of unconfined aquifer. Ground level. The unconfined aquifer is also known as the water table aquifer or phreatic aquifer. So here the water present in the pores will be at atmospheric pressure. Since this is the here will be either pervious layer or the water level, and it is directly exposed to the atmosphere, so water in the pores will be at atmospheric pressure. And whenever we will drill a well in this type of formation, the water table will remain same. However, it depends on the topography, and the water table will fluctuate in case of recharge and withdraw also. In case of withdraw, water table will decline. In case of recharge, the water table will rise. Unconfined aquifers get recharged by rainwater, by irrigation water, by artificial recharge, influent seepage, etc. Semi-confined aquifers, also known as the leaky aquifer, and in semi-confined aquifers, the water hold between two semi-pervious layers, or one could be aquiclude or aquitard. So, this is the ground level. These are the semi-confined aquifer. So in case of semi-confined aquifer, ये दोनों layers semi-confining layers हो सकती हैं, या one layer could be aquiclude or aquitard. Next one is the purged aquifer. So the purged aquifer is the special case of unconfined aquifer which lies above the water table aquifer, and it have a very small extent. Suppose this is our ground level, this is our water table or water level, and this is the impervious layer. Then this purged aquifer could be found here. This is the confining layer of small extent. Confining layer or impervious layer. Above the water table. So, whenever we will bore a hole or drill a well in this type of aquifer, we will get limited amount of water. Since this aquifer is above the water table, so इसमें water table तो contribute नहीं कर सकता है, and इस एक्वीफर से जब कंप्लीट वाटर विड्रॉ हो जाएगा, उसके बाद जब तक इस एक्वीफर में रेनफॉल या इरिगेशन से रिचार्ज नहीं होगा, तब तक इसकी अगेन यील्ड नहीं ले सकते हैं. सो दिस इज़ द पस्ट एक्वीफर. So thank you so much.